Alright, so we got this package. We gotta open it up. I'm actually pretty excited to see if this will work. I just went and bought a new mic. Cause if you can't hear it right now, but this sounds pretty echoey or just pretty open. It's because this camera has a pretty bad microphone. Usually I just record on my computer and use it here, but now I'm just doing it straight off the camera, and hopefully this will fix it. I'll be able to record videos with solid sound, solid audio, while moving around a little bit. There you go. Alright. Here it is. 6-meter cable. 6 meters. Hopefully it fits. Why wouldn't it? I don't know. Yeah. 6 meters. This is the microphone I bought. It's a $20 microphone. It's supposed to be pretty good. It's the Behringer XM8500. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can probably see it. I accidentally turned on my computer, but that's good. We need this on. So here this is. Pretty cool packaging. Here's the thing you put on the microphone. I don't know what it's called. So it doesn't pop. And we got the thing you plug it into. I don't know what it's called, but I'll show you guys. Come a little bit closer, guys. I'll show you this. Alright, you'll have to excuse my computer. It's I think it's the hard drive or the fan that's making the noise. Pretty solid case. Not too much to say about it. It's nice for 20 bucks. I get this. It's amazing, but you gotta buy a cable and you gotta buy this thing that's supposed to power it, so you can plug it into the computer, which will run you about, all of this cost me $100 bucks. So yeah, solid microphone. See it? It's not too big, which is nice. What's up, guys? I think this is amazing, perfect. You can't turn it off. I don't think that's a problem. The T-bone windscreen. It's supposed to be a guaranteed fit. It's set on the website, so I'm not too worried about this. Maybe I should be worried. Oh no, I'm not. Alright. Here you go. Does it look weird? It does look a little... No, I think this looks cooler. Nice. Oh shit. And this is for the microphone stand, I guess. Let's just throw this away. Alright, next thing. This thing. This is what I'm worried about. It's by far the most expensive. It's not that expensive. I think it was either $65 or $55 or $60, something like that. It's the Swissonic Audio one. I just bought a cheap one because I don't plan on making music or nothing, so I just need one to run this microphone, and so I can plug it into my computer. It's a USB audio thing. I have to put it on the screen. I don't know what this is called. So let's see here. Leave a like, guys, if you want more unboxings. I did not plan on making this, but it just happened. So yeah, you get an aux cable. I don't know if you can see it, aux, and then you get one, the USB and USB-C, and this thing. I don't remember what these are called, but we're supposed to plug this in, and then you can use it on the computer, I guess. Manual. Nobody reads a manual. Why would I ever need a manual? Alright. Now, the thing we've all been waiting for, I think. I don't know. This is it. I don't know if you can see it. Here we got this thing. So this is where you plug in that this thing that goes into the microphone, and then here you got your volume, I guess, something. And you got, it doesn't say anything, so I don't know. It just says no, gain, something, something, and then here, this is where you plug it into the computer, your phone if you want to, and something. For those of you who didn't know, this is my current microphone, that HyperX Quadcast. It's nice, but I can't move it around. I can only have it like this, which is fine, you know, but I want to try to expand my content. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. No, maybe I should do this. Yeah, I want to try to expand my content a little bit and be able to move around, which I can't with this. And that's why I got these things, to maybe make it a little easier. Plug it in like this. And now it's the moment of truth. This one isn't that long, so you can't move it around, but it doesn't matter. Wow. How am I supposed to put this in? It's upside down. Here. Let's turn this off. God damn, I should have bought a smaller cable. Look at this thing. It's gigantic, literally. Look at this. What the hell? It's a BBC. It's a big black cable. Literally. Plug this thing in here. Please tell me it fits. Doesn't look like it'll fit. Why wouldn't it fit? Please fit. Is it too big? That's what she said. No. No, it's not too big. I don't think. Oh, yes. It fits. Amazing. Look at this. Fits like a glove. Almost like it was made for this microphone. That's crazy. What? Then we'll plug this in here. I still can't get over how big 6 meters is. You know, it sounds a lot smaller than it is. No, it doesn't actually. It sounds huge. It is huge. And I'm just stupid sometimes, I guess, but it's the moment of truth. Throw this on the ground. I don't care. Oh yeah, I've heard that these cables are pretty fragile, so don't bend them too much. You know, I did it. I think one of these cables is like $5, so you can bend them as much as you want if you got the money to do it. Yo, it works. It works. All right, so now this is me without the microphone. Obviously doesn't sound too good. Starting settings, that's what it's called. All right, with the microphone. Let's see it. 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Hopefully you can hear me good. If you can't, then I need to work on some stuff. Like, let's try this. Let's try just doing this. Does this sound better? I don't know. Volume knob? Nope, no. Whoa. Is this loud? Whoa. Hello, guys. What's up? It's on the ground. Now we can do stuff. All right. Let's try to. Does this? It doesn't go higher. I can maybe get it to go a little higher. Let's try to see if you can hear me now. What's up, guys? Is the noise canceling good? This is my normal tone. I don't know if you could hear that, but hopefully you can. Let's move around. Look at this. Hold on. Let's take the camera off. go for a walk. My camera is overheating right now, so I've been recording for a while. So let's see this. Right now, we're in. As you can see, maybe you can see the cable. It's right here. Looks like the camera's gonna last 3 more minutes. It says, which is nice. Maybe, hopefully, you can hear me. Oh shit. I pulled something. Is this 6 meters? This can't be true. 6 meters? This is not 6 meters. Look at this. Right in the comments. Is this 6 meters? You can see it. It's right here. And then it goes here. So it's pretty long. And then it goes here. Does that look like 6 meters to you? Because it sure doesn't to me. Anyways, that's it for me right now. Camera's about to die. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.